That room's a mess. That is my craft room / storage, that big room. So I don't want to show you quite yet. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. You're in a great day, a great night. Today I'm going to be doing an empty house tour of mine and Logan's new place. We're super excited. We found this home. It's a great big yard. It's awesome. So I'm going to do a little tour. Before we get into this, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and push the bell notification. Let's go. Woo! So we walk in. I'm going to scoot back, and we have the living room. I'm cleaning a bunch of stuff today. So we have our big living room here. And then if you come from this corner, we have our fireplace. We'll probably do like a dining table in here. Might do like a little shelf here thing. So we'll have couches, TV, and it should be fun. So once we come from here, we'll come here to the left and we have the bathroom. So we will, yeah, it's pretty basic. Like you got your shelving in here, you got a shower, very basic kind of like bathroom stuff. So we got this, you just got like a little cabinet, you know. And we got a bedroom here. So this is where we'll probably put the bed. The bedrooms are kind of smaller, so we're thinking bed in here, there's a closet, and that will be just that. So that should be pretty fun. So yeah, smaller rooms, so we're gonna make do. But since there's 3 rooms, we're gonna have a walk-in closet. So we come into here, and we have a closet right here, and a closet right here. So me and Logan will have our own closet. We're gonna get some dressers to put stuff in, so that should be really good. So good multi-purpose. Probably a lot of videos in here for like makeup tutorials and maybe clothing stuff. I don't really know. I don't know what I'm gonna do here because the other room I'll show you guys in a bit will be my craft room. But it'll also be kind of filming or storage, kind of a mix of all that. So go down there. So we come back here into the kitchen, and it's probably a little darker in here. You have all this nice shelving going on. So we have this, and this is where probably the dining room would be, but I was wanting to have it out in the other area because it's kind of small here. So we come over, again, ignore all the cleaning stuff, but kind of basic kitchen. So pretty basic, fridges, the oven, all the fun stuff. Fun, I'm excited to get all my stuff in here and cleaning and to be a wife. I'm really excited for all that part. So from there, we come into here. Now this is gonna be really dark, bear with me. Ta-da! So I think this is my favorite part. I'm gonna, 1 second. What's the door shut? Okay, so there's like all these shelving units, which I love. So we have all storage, comes down into here, and then we have the laundry. So we have all this stuff here. Kind of great for that. And I love all the storage. I have all storage room I want. So bear with me on this room as well, because this is stuff I've moved in already. Well, actually, I'm gonna show you guys later once this is done. That room's a mess. That is my craft room / storage, that big room. So I don't want to show you quite yet. That's the whole house tour. I can also show you guys the yard. We're still doing some stuff to it, some weeding and fun stuff like that to get it all set. Once that's all set, we'll let you guys know. Well, I'll get like that all done. So this empty house tour, once we get it all set, don't worry, I'm gonna do a full-on house tour with it all decorated. I have so many cute ideas for our home and get it all set. So I'll get that up and let you guys gonna see it all really soon, okay? So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go start cleaning because this place needs to be cleaned bad. So we're gonna get into all that stuff, and pretty soon it will be all clean and all nice and sure, you know, yeah. So nice. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. Hope you guys liked our empty house tour. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a great day, great night. God bless.